Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and the lighting is really bad, but I'm sorry, I don't know how to do it. My dad's not home, so I don't know how it works. But we have this light thingy, but it's too high. But anyways, welcome to my channel. Today we're making another slime, and we're making, let me get it. Yes. The s'more sundae squish slime. So my friend gave me some glue, but I still have our glue, which is a lot of glue. We need clay, activator, and stuff. So anyways, let's get started. Okay, so first let's open this. Open it. Okay, so that's it? Yeah, that's it. Okay. We have mini marshmallow scent, which is pink. I like the color. Chocolate brown. We already have chocolate brown. A charm, which is like crackers, and another mystery charm that I don't know. So let's get our bowl. Instructions. Here. I know it's backwards, so I'll read. So pour 50 millimeters of glue. Where's 50 millimeters? Give me a second. Okay, I got it. So we pour the glue. It's a weird sound. Okay, so pour the glue. Continue. Okay. After topping it with this, mixing. Okay. Oopsie, I missed it. I'm so careless. Oof. Okay, that's all the glue. Squeeze. Okay, now that's out. That's 25 millimeters. Pour it into the bowl. And let me do the other one. Okay, so I'm done with the other one. Add the bottle of marshmallow set, but first, why am I so bad at opening? Ugh, let me open it. Open. Perfect. Let me smell it. Wow, it smells really good. Why do I feel like all the scents feel good? I mean smell good, not feel good. But anyways, add a lot of that. It said to add the whole bottle, but that's too much. I already added half of it, and I want to save the rest. And, okay, mix it up. Okay, so add some activator. Sorry. Okay, that overfilled a little bit, but most of the time I add more activator because sometimes the slime is not cooperating and it's just not working. This counts as slime, don't you guys? So that took a while, but anyways, now we have our very sticky slime. Okay, need the mixture? Are you serious right now? Okay, whatever. I don't need to knead it. I mixed it. It's really, really sticky. Add another half spoonful if the slime feels sticky. Okay. I hope we don't overactivate it. Pour in. Okay, I think that should be good, right guys? Oh my god, my hands are all gooey. Whatever. Okay, clay. Okay, clay. We got clay. We got a bunch of clay. So open the clay. Get some clay. Oh my gosh, I love the clay. Put it in the slime, on the slime, on it, not in it. Add a bunch of clay. A lot of clay. I'm not that sure how much we add, but add a lot of clay. Okay, anyways, clay. That's so stretchy, I like it. Okay, clay. Clay. Okay, that's enough clay. That's a lot of clay. Okay, anyways. Sorry. Combine. Okay. Take this out. Put it on top. Alright, time to combine. Okay, so I have this really, really nice slime. It's like, oops, it sticks. It's like white and it's super ultra stretchy. The camera doesn't go that high and that far. It's sticking. Give me a sec. Okay. It's really sticky though, so maybe I should add some more activator. But it's like really nice. Like you can poke it. It doesn't stick onto your hands when you poke it. And it's really stretchy. But right now, I'm just going to add a tiny bit more activator. A very tiny bit. Okay. See, that was 3 drops. That isn't that much, okay? It looks so cloudy. It looks like melted marshmallows. Wait, didn't I say that in the last video? Last video, I said that, right? Comment yes or no. I forgot. I think last video was the one I made slime. I don't know. I don't really keep track of my videos. I keep more track of my shorts. Anyways. Okay, now it's really nice. And you can also make a swirl with it, but we're not done. That's actually really nice. Wait. Oh. Prepare marshmallow ice cream base. That makes more sense. Sorry, I took a water break. Okay, so marshmallow ice cream base. Okay, so I'm done. This slime is really nice. I like it. Okay, put this. I don't know where to put this. Put this on the tray. Put the tray back. Make the chocolate. Combine 15 millimeters of give me a sec. I don't know where 50 millimeters are. 15. Oh, I passed. Oh shoot, it went onto my shirt. Okay, so put that in the bowl. Okay, perfect. Okay. Why do I keep saying okay? Okay. Why do I keep saying okay? Oh my god. Alright. few drops. A few equals 5. Oh, that was a squirt. It's dripping. So squishy. Okay. Mix violently. Mix very gently. This is very gentle, right? Okay. Alright. Add some of the glue in it. Perfect. Take a tiny amount of clay, which can be a tiny amount of the slime, because I'm too lazy to open the bag, and combine it with the slime. So anyways, now it says, oh, I was supposed to add chocolate food coloring. Guys, I'm stupid. Okay, open it. Add some this. How much do I add? Like that much? I think that should be good. Okay, and mix it up. Sticking together. It's okay. It's okay. Perfect. Now I have it. Chocolate. Doesn't look very chocolate, but it's okay. It's not supposed to be real. Anyways. Similar size as cracker cards. Okay, that means I'm opening it. Look, I missed it. Okay, open it. That's cool. Okay, I like that. Similar shape. I have this much. How am I supposed to make it into a similar shape? Whatever. No one cares. Marshmallows. Also, what's this for? So let's open it. It says it's a charm. Wait, that's kind of cute. 3, 2, 1. Ready? It's like chocolate and it says milk in every square. That is so cute. Not that sure why. Okay. Stop getting distracted. Oh, it should be way darker? Darker. Okay, darker. Uh-oh. The charms stick together with the slimes very well. Okay. It says, make the marshmallows. Take a piece of clay. Take a piece of, oh shoot, I forgot to have the glue. Okay, take a piece of clay, roll it into a sausage, and chop it into sections. Actually, wait, what does it say? Split it in half with my nail. These are sausages. No, split it, those into halves, and mold those into marshmallow shapes. That's kind of cute. I don't know why. Okay, keep going. Yeah. This reminds me of butter slime and like Play-Doh, but like better. I don't know why. I just like playing with clay. If you also like doing that, comment a marshmallow emoji if that exists. And if it doesn't, comment a thumbs up emoji. I was gonna do a hand emoji, but whatever. Okay. Done. That's kind of cute. Okay, assemble it. Container. You've seen it before. Unless you haven't watched my other videos, which you really should. Okay. Here. Oh yeah, and this slime kit's called YOLO Additude. You can get it on Amazon. And thank you, my friend. You introduced it to me, and you got this kit for me for my birthday, which is April 28th. Not telling you the year. Anyways, super nice, but super sticky. It's okay. Getting the slime. Oh my god, that feels kind of nice. Like rolls down the arm. Okay. Anyways, that's kind of weird. So roll it. It's so drippy. Okay. Like droop it into the container. Whatever. Ooh, that was a bubble. That was cool. Okay. I don't know why. I think a lot of things with slime is cool. Not necessarily cool, but put the slime like this, cause like, okay. So I have the super sticky melted marshmallows. And cracker charms. Where's the chocolate? Oh. Add the clay marshmallows. Add the clay marshmallows. They're so cute. I love them. Okay. Add chocolate sauce. Sorry. Chocolate sauce. That's kind of bad. It's alright, so chocolate sauce and chocolate charm. Chocolate charm. There we go. Wait, that's actually so cute. Give me a second. Sorry, slime photo shoot. My friend took a picture. The one that gave me this kit, she took a picture of every slime she made and sent it to me. So I'm gonna do the same thing to her. Drizzle the chocolate a little bit more. And voila, voila. All finished. Sorry, I wanted you to like enjoy it. Anyways, time to mix it up. Wait, take the chocolate charm out. Oh my god. With a bunch of chocolate sauce slime on it. Make it a little up. And time to mix it up. Take the cracker out. And take the other cracker. And time to mix. Let me take it out first, okay? It's very sticky. It likes the bottle. It's sticking onto it. Perfect. I don't see any brown. So let's add some. Oh my god, it's sticking onto me. Hang on, I want to draw a little thing. It's a really bad one, but it's only for the people that like, comment, and subscribe. But it could just be for you. I don't care. Anyways. Unless you're someone I know, and I don't like you in real life. Because some people in my class are really annoying. And I don't know why. But mix. I got this slime. Feels so good. Step. Okay, so now I'm gonna undo the cracker charms, get the slime off. Let me clean it. Okay, got it. Now just mix it up. Okay, so now let's make a s'more together. But, hello, welcome to my channel, blah, blah, blah. Okay, today we're making a s'more. Okay, so, cracker, chocolate, cracker. Ta-da! It's a s'more. Okay, let's actually make it kind of look like a s'more, maybe. Cut off the edges. Bite the chocolate. I don't know why I said that. That's kind of weird. Okay, anyways. Ta-da! Open it up. Not very special. Okay, anyways, get the chocolate charm. This one sticks less onto the slime. I think because this one's a butter slime. The other one, activating that was a nightmare. Well, it was still kind of fun, but oh my god. Can you like get off my hands? Thanks. Okay. Give me a sec. I need to take the charms. Okay. Separated the charms. So now, ASMR. I don't know how to call it. Should I make a YouTube short about the slime? Comment chocolate emoji. Just comment yes or no. But if you really want one, comment chocolate emoji. And yeah. So to clean it up, I'm just going to get the cup. Put the slime. That's a lot of slime. Okay. Put the crackers in. Oh no! You guys comment yes or no too with the crackers. I'll ask if I should put the crackers in, and then you guys reply. And then I'll also ask if I should make it kind of short. You guys reply too. Should I also make the cookies and cream one short? If you haven't watched that, you should watch that now. Well, after this video ends, and after you watch that, you can also watch my most watched one, the apple pie one. Also comment which one you like best. S'mores, apple pie, or Oreos, cookies and cream ice cream. But anyways, trying to make a drizzle sauce. Okay. That looks kind of bad. It's okay. I'll mix it back up later. And the slime will just be a little darker, but anyways. Bye guys! Since other YouTube channels have something that they call their viewers/subscribers, what should I call you guys? Let me know in the comments. The comments is a very big section, and please don't say anything rude. Please. Thank you. Bye! Subscribe.